So the first question is, why do animals move from one place to another? Okay, so the answer to this question is animals move from one place to another in search of food, then put a comma, to escape from enemies and to find a place to rest. Okay, this is the answer to the first question. The answer is animals move from one place to another in search of food, comma, to escape from enemies and to find a place to rest. Okay, this is the answer to the first question. Then we'll move to the second question, that is, now one thing to remember, after you complete every answer, leave a line and then you move to the next question. Now after you finish this answer here, leave one line, okay, and then you write the second questions. Why am I saying this? So that your work looks neat and clean. Okay, so the second question is, what do living things eat? What do living things eat? Question mark. Okay, at the end of every question, try to put a question mark. Okay, the question is, what do living things eat? Now, living things usually eat food and drink water for what? To grow. Okay, this is the answer to the second question. The answer is, living things usually eat food and drink water to grow. Okay, then we'll move to the third question. Since there is no place here, I am going to clean the first answer. Now, the third question is, how do plants move even though, okay, how do plants move even though their roots remain fixed to the ground. Okay, put a question mark after you complete the question. Okay, so this is the question here of number 3. How do plants move even though their roots remain fixed to the ground? I think I discussed this yesterday with you, that although plants are fixed to the ground, they don't move. What moves in a plant? Yes, the parts of plant like branches, leaves, flowers, they move at a particular direction. How do they move? As they grow. When they are growing, they show movement. Okay, so the answer to this question is plants do not move from one place to another but they can move some of their parts. Okay, this is the answer to the third question. Plants do not move from one place to another, but they can move some of their parts. Some of their parts means it is understood like branches, leaves, flowers, etc. Okay, then we move to the next question, that is question number 4. Now what is question number 4? Okay, now question number 4 is name the gas that living things breathe in. Full stop. Now here you will not put a question mark, although it is a question, but there is no WH family here. WH family means who, when, why, what, etc. So the question is name the gas that living things breathe in. Breathe in. What do we take in? I discussed this answer with you in the previous exercise. What is the correct answer? Yes, it is oxygen. So don't only write oxygen. Try to make the answer like a sentence and write. Okay. So the answer you will write like this. Living things breathe in oxygen. Okay, living things breathe in oxygen. Then we move to question number 5. This is the last question, okay, to be done in your copy from the first chapter. The question is, what does a lizard do when it feels hot? Now put a question mark. Okay, the question is, what does a lizard do when it feels hot? What does a lizard do? Now, a lizard hides in a shady place when it sorry feels hot. Okay, the answer to number 5 is a lizard hides in a shady place. Shady means where there is shade, where there is no direct sunlight. Okay, when it feels hot. Number 6 question we will not do, as I told you. I had given it to you already yesterday. So by this we come to the end of the first chapter. When we meet again, we'll continue with the next chapter. Okay, try to be safe in your house. Take care and God bless you. Thank you.